Hey guys, it's Tanya. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. I was just about to refresh my hair from this style. I've been wearing this satin line cap for probably the past couple of days. It got a little bit cold here. And I just thought, I should show them how I refresh my hair. So I'm going to show you how I refresh my hair after it's kind of going flat from having a hat on. But this is the look I'm rocking right now. So I just have my satin line cap on, using it kind of like a beanie. Because I was going to be outside. I love this hat because it kind of protects my hair, but at the same time being cute. But this is what happens when I wear it, is that my hair starts to fall, kind of flat. So before we get started, I just wanted to let you guys know that I do have a Facebook group now. It's called Locs So Fine. If you want to join that Facebook group, if you have SISTERLOCKS or Microlocs, or you're thinking about having them, and you have fine low density hair or just fine hair, feel free to join the community. We share pictures, ask questions, and all that stuff in there. It's a growing group. Not very big at all, but we will grow together. So let's get started with how I refresh my hair after I have had it in a flat style. That's it. That's all I do. So I just wet it with this spray bottle. It's a continuous spray bottle. If you don't want to have one in your life, you need to get one. Link in the description below if you want to check out the one that I got. And then I use a little bit of this rice water, flaxseed, strengthening hair milk. If you don't have any hair milk, for some people, water just by itself will work fine. I just found that the hair milk actually helps me with my curly ends, because I like to maintain curly ends anyway. Some people use conditioner, but I like to use this hair milk to keep my ends looking curly. As this dries, it'll start looking bigger and bigger. My hair is fine low density, so it's not going to carry a lot of volume, which I don't mind. I just don't want it to look like I just had a hat on for the last 2 days, which is exactly what I had on. So short and sweet, to the point. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. So if you're wondering like, oh man, some girls just shake their hair all out and it looks fine. Some people take a little bit more work to get to looking nice and curly and fluffy again. And so that's what I do to mine. And it literally took like 2 seconds to do. So anyway, join my Facebook if you're interested. The link is in the description below. And then like and subscribe if you enjoy these types of videos and if this helped you with your hair. Bye.